Firstly, I want to tell you that my journey has been quite like your own journey. I'm born in a village in district Hisar. My father was a soldier. In fact, when I was born, he was probably just a soldier, a sipai. And by the time, he sent me to military school, Bangalore. He was an Absudar, and by the time I graduated from school and went into the academy, in fact, my joining academy and his retirement coincided. And then I decided to join his own regiment, Brigade of the Guards, where he had served, and many other people from my family have served. So that has been my own journey as an honorary captain from the army, from Second Guards. So my journey is quite like your this thing, and even after joining the army, getting commissioned, it required tremendous amount of hard work, tremendous amount. I can't tell you how many of us got commissioned from IMA, and how many are lucky to have reached my rank. We are just handful, literally handful have reached here, and there were many who are better than me, I would say. But what kept me going was, I think, consistency. I was very, very consistent throughout and learned from people. I imbibed a lot of things from my seniors who I admired. That's why I keep telling you all कि एक जिंदगी में pick up a leader. You won't get it in books, by reading biographies. Around you, आपके आसपास मॉल में कोई ना कोई शख्स ऐसा होगा जो आपको बहुत पसंद आता है. उसका बात करने का लहजा, उसका कपड़े पहनने का लहजा, उसका कंडक्ट, उसकी पर्सनल इंटीग्रिटी, उसका फिटनेस, उसका बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल. तो आपके यूनिट में, आपके माहौल में, try and pick up people who may be your relatives or your teachers or your peer group. They could be your own peer group. So find a leader whom you can copy. So leadership can be learned from just copying, by emulating. Copying is a wrong word, but emulating somebody. So I was lucky in my life. I met some very good seniors and my colleagues. I learned, and whenever I got a good idea, the best part was I was able to delete old ideas and create space for new ideas. I've always believed in deleting and adding. So all my life. So first lesson for you all is that don't keep any rigid ideas with you. Rigidity, it kills a person. Don't be rigid on religion, on caste, on color, on creed, on education, on gender. Just don't be rigid. Be flexible. And this flexibility, you'll enjoy it. As you go along, you'll read, you'll meet people, and you say, यार मैं तो अभी तक सारी ऐसी उल्टी चीजें मेरे दिमाग में डाल रखी थी यार, इन चीजों के बारे में, हिस्ट्री के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में, कम्युनिटीज के बारे में. So I'm personally an atheist and totally secular, pluralistic views I have of my country and my people. I love people from all communities, and I just don't have any tag of belonging to a community or region and all. So सबसे पहला काम तो ये करो. Please leave all baggage which your parents have given you on caste, community, color, gender and all. That will make you definitely a different person. It will help your SSB also. Because you don't know when, आपके वो ख्यालात बाहर आ जाएंगे या आपके कहीं ना कहीं उसमें. So be a flexible person, don't be rigid, and look at everyone else. Don't see what WhatsApp and Facebook are sending. Negativity is spreading all over. Please stay away from it. No negative. I don't allow anyone around me to put anti-Islam post, anti-this post, anti-that or Mandir post. I just tell even very senior officers, sir, please mind your language. Don't post such nonsense here. This is not the place. So as young people of my country and those who want to join the army, we are known for these ethos. So cultivate these ethos, learn about others. If you have a Muslim friend, sit with him or her and ask him about the religion. You'll realize it's wonderful. Same is Sikhism, Jainism, Christianity. Everybody has shades of grey. So do we have to cultivate that make that as a habit. Then next thing I can tell you is always be a positive person. Now it's easy to say positivity, but how do you cultivate? I've seen you can cultivate positivity. And this can be cultivated by being helpful to people, by always saying yes to, if somebody requests you for something and you don't have the time, you don't have the energy, even then, okay, let me try, okay, let me try and help you. I will try my best. And this thing, this particular habit, almost like a habit. Even today, I left my unit about 15 years back after command, but every day I get 10 to 20 calls from retired or serving. Any problem they have, they know यार वो साहब को call करेंगे. He will give some advice or answer, or he will try his best. And then I put in my best to, and I give a call back. भाई तुम्हारा काम हुआ है नहीं हुआ, मैंने चिट्ठी लिख दी है, मैंने वहां बात कर ली, मैंने ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. I've done my best. And it starts in small things at home. Be positive person at home with your brothers, sisters, relations, mein, cousins. Mein. Try and build, relationships by being positive, being nice, being courteous. So that is another thing I thought which you all should cultivate. And then be a good listener. Be a good listener, because there are a lot of people you will meet in life who will tell you some wonderful things, especially old experienced people. Listen to them. If you find it useful, imbibe it. But there's a lot of, if it's not so useful, it's okay. Just move on. Don't have to, waste your time on this. Now, a lot of people ask me, young people, sir, ये कैसे करते हो आप? How do you do all this? How do you match up time plan? ये करना, वो करना, सबसे, different roles we play. We are actually acting, whole day. Absolutely different roles at home, with your subordinates, office, playing sports. Today morning I have done 50 kilometers cycle to give farewell to a colleague of mine. He's going on posting to Calcutta. I said, what way can I give a farewell? I said, okay, I will take you for a cycle ride. And I took him. We got up at 4:30 in the morning, and 5:30 I was on the road with him. And we went to a beautiful place. We cycled for 52 kilometers today morning. That was my way of showing my care and concern for him and my love for him. And I said, yeah, this is the best thing I could have, So this small little things you do. So a lot of people ask me, how do you do it? So my simple mantra is that each day, try and divide your day into 4 quadrants. 4, parts you can divide your day. It need not be 8 hours each or 6 hours. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. You may just touch a thing for just a few minutes or something. But what you need to do every day, that is important. So I will say first part, very important part for you, you all are very young people, is devote some time on your physical fitness. There is no substitute for physical fitness. This is your body. ये तुम्हारा body. कोई और कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Parents may love you like anything, but they can't do anything regarding your body. It's up to you. And love yourself. And so how do you love yourself? By being physically fit. So get out in the morning, take a cycle, go for a run, do push-ups, sit-ups, do some exercise. Yoga is amazing. Do yoga. If you योग से बढ़ के कोई अच्छी चीज नहीं. Do yoga, go for long walks, go for runs. So do something. And this you have to do at least twice a day, morning and evening. Take out time. Or maybe after dinner. और उसके लिए टाइम की कोई कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है. अगर आप सुबह पढ़ने के शौकीन और आप पढ़ रहे हैं, फिर फिजिकल में 12 बजे चले जाओ दोपहर को. आई हैव सीन पीपल गो फॉर रन एट 1 o'clock इन द आफ्टरनून इन समर. कि यार मुझे यही टाइम मिलता है, want to do lunch break, I don't have lunch, so I'm going out for my fitness. So do that. The other part you need to do is that we are all social beings, we have a society. So some time you must spare for social aspects. That is finding time for your parents, your brothers, sisters, your friends, calling them up or meeting them up. It relaxes you, So do that. Social. So physical, social. Then the other part is the spiritual part. I am an atheist, so I am not really a religious person. Spirituality actually is being kind, being good, reading something which is not, something different, or following. Some people follow Sadhguru on YouTube. Some people follow somebody else on YouTube. I know so many, all of them, met many of them. I don't follow anyone, but some spirituality, something good, it will make you a good human being. So spend half an hour, 20 minutes on reading or doing some puja or something with your parents, with your mother and all. It helps. Even if you don't believe, it helps to just be there. Then the last and important part is intellectual part, which you all are doing as students and all that. So intellectual part is basically your related to your studies, your academics, reading. So your bulk of your time must be spent on that. So read books, read newspapers, magazines, and sometimes just pick up anything and read. You don't know, आपको पता ही नहीं आपका interest कहाँ है. Most of you will not know where does your interest lie. You know, in a school, when I was in military school, Bangalore, I must have read more than 2,000 to 3,000 books as a student in school. I read literature, I read history, I can't do poetry. I used to write myself. Once upon a time I thought I will be a writer or something like that. And you pick up books and you read and you'll realize, oh, here I never knew about this. So spend time on reading, spend time on physical aspects, two most important, and some time on social and intellectual aspects. This will, keep you motivated the whole day, and you'll be able to plan your time, sleep on time. Don't be this generation, people just don't sleep. They sleep at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that. I leave it to you. It's up to you to plan something. I told you about old baggage, please junk it as soon as possible. Try and, follow new things, new technology. AI is the new thing, and so, keep, adding on to your knowledge bank. Then another thing I would wish to tell you is to be adaptable. Today, world over, people are talking of adaptability. And this is an amazing quality. और इसके बिना ना आप लोगों का गुजारा भी नहीं है. This is something, if you are not adaptable, it will be very difficult for you in any job or in life, or even a pre-marriage, post-marriage. A lot of issues are there today in your society. So adaptability, because you don't control the circumstances. You're just a sports, you're like a player, but you don't choose your pitch or your ground. That is chosen by somebody else, or the stage. So you have to adapt, and adapt quickly. And how do you adapt? By being flexible, by being positive. So you adapt very quickly. So life changes, rapidly changes. Colleges, फौज में आ गए आप, अभी भर्ती हो, ACC क्लियर करके ऑफिसर बन गए, suddenly life change. शादी हो रखी है या बाद में होएगी, again a very big change in life. Then children, then pressures of job, performance. So all this you will be able to do if you are adaptable. And in another thing I wish to tell you is prioritization. A lot of time we waste on things we feel important, but we just they are not important. They are not urgent, but we waste a lot of time. A lot of time we waste. So you have to prioritize. I think I was able to do a lot of priority, and as I kept moving up with age and rank, I delegated a lot of things. I had implicit faith and trust in people who were with me. I assumed everybody is very good. So I gave a lot of tasks, or I left it to my subordinates to perform. And I all realized that they did better than what I would have done. So prioritization, only then you can save time for reading, for physical fitness, and you'll be tension free. So decide between what is urgent and what is important. It's not easy, but practice now. You're young. अभी आप कर सकते हो इसको. Between urgent and important. ठीक है? So do that. Then at your age, I will say you are at आप जिंदगी के बहुत ही एक ऐसे पड़ाव पे हो जहां लाइफ कहीं भी लेके जा सकती है आप. So for that you have to remain focused. You have to remain बिल्कुल एकदम focused. And don't look long term goals. 10 साल की मत सोचो यार. 15 साल, 20 साल, just don't think. Think of 6 months, 1 year, 3 months. Short goals. I've always believed. I never thought लाइफ में कि यार यहाँ ऐसे होगा, ऐसे कुछ नहीं सोचा कभी भी. प्लान, आगे का प्लान नहीं किया. प्लान किया सिर्फ next 5 months, 6 months, 2 months, 3 months. So have small objectives, small milestones. Like you go on a long drive, then you keep seeing the milestone. अच्छा भी ये आने वाला है, अच्छा यहाँ तक ये है, फिर ये है, फिर वो. तो things will keep happening to you. एक तो ज्यादा दूर की सोचते हो, होता नहीं है. Unnecessarily you are worrying about something which is not in your control. In your control is your immediate goals and this. And to do that, you to remain focused, you need to do goal setting. Goal setting is to have a mission statement for yourself. अपने लिए अपना ध्येय बनाना है, अपना लक्ष्य बनाना है आपने. वो कैसे बनेगा? वो जब कोई नहीं है कमरे में, आराम से अपनी नोटबुक निकालो, अपना पेन लो और अपने हाथ से लिखो, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू इन नेक्स्ट क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव आपका, शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, एंड राइट इट डाउन. मैं फलाना, आई एम सो एंड सो, एंड मैंने अगले नेक्स्ट 6 months I wish to clear this exam with this percentage, or I will do this with this, or this. It need not be just exam oriented, it can be fitness. I see a lot of young people obese कि मैंने अगले 3 महीने में 10 किलो वजन कम करना है, put it on a side, और लेफ्ट साइड में ये भी लिखो मैंने इतनी किताबें पढ़नी है और ये एग्जाम क्लियर करना है. सो हैव अ मिशन स्टेटमेंट, एक लक्ष्य, एक ध्येय, और इसको लिख के प्लेस इट, इसको चिपका दो अपने इसके ऊपर, दीवार के ऊपर, सामने टेबल पे, एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट व्हाट पीपल फील. सो डू दिस, इट रियली हेल्प्स टू रिमेन फोकस्ड, क्योंकि आपकी नजरों से होगा. जो आप म्यूजिक वो देख रहे हो, वीडियो पबजी खेल रहे हो, या किसी से चैट कर रहे हो, या वीडियो गेम चल रहे हैं, आपको यार मैं तो इतने घंटे वेस्ट कर दिए, मैं तो यार एम मेरा कुछ और है, मैंने व्हाई एम आई डूइंग दिस. सो यू मस्ट राइट. इनफैक्ट वी कैन गिव देम दिस टास्क एंड दे शुड राइट this and give it to you.
Sure, sir. That's a very good idea. I will do that. Certainly before the course finishes, I will do that.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, you can do that. So these are few things I thought I'll just share with you all. आप लोगों के साथ जो है ना, and everything is possible. This is clearing SSB, और अभी आपको लग रहा होगा बहुत इतनी कोई बड़ी महाभारत नहीं है. Just be positive, just be yourself. Just be yourself. And I see a lot of young people who they don't perform well there because you're under so much stress. यार मैं क्या बोलूं, क्या सुनना चाहता, अरे यार तुम वो बोलो जो तुम सही समझते हो. Say what you feel. Speak from here. Always speak from here, and you'll get the right answer. Surprise your GTO and your president by your answers. I did this. I'm telling you. I given such answers that nobody would expect कि कोई ये बात करेगा interviews में, wherever, even when I went abroad, or even I remember my SSB very clearly. It's been more than 37 years back I cleared SSB, but I distinctly remember what kind of answers I gave. I said, ठीक है यार, I'm this. If you don't like it, thank you very much. It's a big world, है ना. ये stress थोड़ी लेना हमने, हमारे लिए. If you have some goal in you will find many horizons. So ये कुछ बातें थी, I thought मैं आप लोगों से share करूंगा. I hope they will be useful, and then we can take some questions. Yes. I'm ready.
Sir, I mean, it was a fantastic, you've shared these ideas. Just to remind them, I always write down when sir speaks, because he speaks from his heart and he speaks to enlighten us. First thing he said, if you have not missed out before we told you, pick up a leader around you, right? That's a fantastic thing, who can guide us, right? Second, he said, remove this caste, creed, religion baggage. I think that is very fantastic in ingredient of the army life, sir. I was commissioned in a Buddha battalion, sir. So being a Sardar, they said you have to learn Bhagwan Buddha chant. I learned Buddham Sarvam Gacchami, sir. Like you said, you have to lead that, right? Then you said, sir, time planning. That was very nice. I'm sure all of them need to make a time plan for the day. The best part is dividing your day into those 4 parts. Friends, please remember what sir has told. Learn to divide your day and give time for each important ingredient, that is a fitness, social, spiritual, and intellectual part. Though at this stage, when you are pursuing a career, intellectual part plays a very important role. Then sir said, be adaptable and be flexible, right? Very important part. You can be adaptable. For that, you got to be flexible, right? Wherever you are, college, new institute, new job, new surroundings, new hostel, be adaptable. Then he said, prioritize your things which you have. And then he said about a mission statement and short-term goals. right? So please do that for yourself, friends. And now I would request anyone has any questions. So, sir, so far Ajay has started. Ajay, please, you can come put on your video and ask your question to sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. So I have a question that when the times were tough, sir, how did you keep going? Like, how did you push yourself?
Ajay, where are you from?
So I am from Pune.
Say again, I did get your question very correctly. Say again.
Sorry, sir. So I was asking you, when the times were tough, how did you keep yourself going in those times?
Oh, yeah, there is some. You have to have you have to have fire in the belly and passion in the heart. There is no answer for this. And I've seen such difficult circumstances between life and death, not once, maybe a dozen times, and felt very low many times. I've seen a lot of violence in Kashmir and Punjab. I've seen this nation. That is why I'm so much anti-religion. I've seen what it can do to my country, and I love my country more than any religion or any gods. So there are times when you feel very low, and when there are reverses and all that. It happens in life. At that time, this being a positive, this habit of being positive, this habit of adapting, this has helped me a lot. And self-motivation. Someday I will speak to how do you motivate yourself, The don't look at anyone else. There are times nobody can motivate you. Or the people around you are so demotivating, आपको उनमें से मतलब एक भी चीज आपको पॉजिटिव नहीं मिलेगी अपने आसपास कई बार. It can happen in family, it can happen in organization also. Even in family, you'll find a lot of negative people here. आप रह नहीं सकते. They could be real kith and kin. So finding your own inner motivation, that comes from having a fire in the belly. पेट में ना एक आग होनी चाहिए कि नहीं यार कोई बात नहीं. एक पैशन करना है कुछ ना कुछ आउटसाइड द बॉक्स काम करना है, कुछ ना कुछ अलग हटके काम करना है, और परवाह नहीं करनी है नौकरी की या किसी चीज की, बट जो सोचा है तो करना है. सो विदाउट बीइंग हाई हेडेड, you have to think coolly and be a cool person. That was also there. I have never abused anyone. I try to be. I'm known for being totally cool. Ki only then you can have good reaction. So I can only say ki Ajay ki remain self-motivated, remain focused, and have that यहाँ पे काम करने का ना एक mission achieve करने का जज्बा होना चाहिए. जज्बा that comes by practice, और किसी में भी हो सकता है. I hope it helps.
Thank you, sir. So the next question is being asked by another student, Anmol Ratan. Anmol, please come and ask your question. And others, please keep typing whatever comes in your mind.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, Anmol.
Sir, hi, sir. Sir, I want to know that you have explained us about to setting up of your small-term goals. So, please tell us that how to use those small-term goals to achieve the long-term goals. Sir.
Very good. It's a very good question, Anmol. Small term goals ये है ना कि जो immediate objectives हैं, because you can't reach the final जो goal आप चाहते हो वो जब तक कि you don't clear these hurdles. Small term goals are actually hurdles, they are milestones. कहीं पे आपने fuel लेना है, कहीं पे आपने rest करना है ना, तो कहीं पे आपने टोल चुंगी कटवानी है, तो these are that kind कि पहले रिटर्न एग्जाम क्लियर करना है, तो बाद की बात में देखेंगे ना उसके बाद कि पहले तो फर्स्ट गोल हैज टू बी क्लियर द रिटर्न एग्जाम. एट द सेम टाइम स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एसएसबी. दे कांट बी डाइवोर्स ना, इकट्ठी यू टू, तभी तो पर्सनालिटी डेवलप होगी. तो इस तरीके से यार बीच में कई ऐसे गोल हैं जो कि प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड नहीं है. मैरिज है, सिस्टर की मैरिज है, कुछ टाइप के भी इवेंट्स होती है लाइफ में जो कि which also come in between your goals. तो if you are able to chart out कि next 2-3 years this is where I want to be, तो उसके लिए which all are the stages I have to cross. So those are short term goals which lead to a long term goal, ultimate goal. Then again goal changes. ये थोड़ा कि गोल पहुंच गया तो हम गोल पोस्ट में बैठ जाएंगे, बॉल दोबारा आती है ग्राउंड में बीच में गोल मारने के बाद फिर से गेम शुरू होता है. So there is no ultimate goal in life. So you have to come back again and start again. Like now I am on the verge of superannuation. So I'll be back again. The ball will be in the center again. So do this. I think.
Right,
Okay.
right. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so next question is by Sohail Ahmed. Sohail is from Hyderabad, sir. Yeah, Sohail, please ask your question.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. I am Sohail from Hyderabad. So I have one question, sir, to you. So when there is a more pressure in work, and how to person manage the time, sir?
When there is more pressure in work.
Yes, sir.
So
कैसे
basically,
हिंदी में बोलो.
हेलो, मैं ऑडिबल सर?
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो दोबारा बोलो हिंदी में बोलो. हाँ
सर अब कोई एक पर्सन काम कर रहा है सर, कंपनी में वर्क कर रहा है, तो उससे ज्यादा प्रेशर है वर्क का. तो आज के दौर में हम देख रहे हैं कि तकरीबन लोग जॉब छोड़ के चले जा रहे हैं सर, प्रेशर को टैकल नहीं करके. तो वो पर्सन में कॉन्फिडेंस क्या होना चाहिए सर, ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ देखो यार, प्रेशर ना, थोड़ा बहुत प्रेशर तो होना चाहिए. बिना प्रेशर के if there is no pressure then you won't get high quality work. So pressure life में है और उसको एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए, बट टॉलरेट करने की काबिलियत होनी चाहिए. सो जो प्रेशर में टॉलरेट नहीं करते दे ब्रेक डाउन, एंड यू आर सीइंग इट एवरी डे. आज का अभी तो कोविड, बिना कोविड के भी हमारे देश में आई सी इट एवरी डे, पीपल जस्ट ब्रेक डाउन इन अंडर प्रेशर. सो दैट इज अगेन योर इनहेरेंट स्ट्रेंथ. हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग आर यू मेंटली कितने टफ हो आप, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो कैन बी कल्टिवेटेड, मेंटल टफनेस बाय अंडर कि यार अच्छा देखी जाएगी, I'll do better than this. If they're thinking they can give me pressure, I'll do better than this. And I'm telling you, I have personally in life, I have seen pressure. I can't tell you pressure. Once I didn't sleep for 4 nights, 4 nights, 4 days and 4 nights, I just didn't sleep because the pressure was so much. And pressure means, so, but I could take it because I was enjoying that pressure. कि देखी जाएगी कोई बात, we will do it. Sleep is not important. Let's see कहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हैं. And many such times you'll find. So as young people, take pressure यार, थोड़ा बहुत pressure तो लेना ही पड़ेगा आपको. And at the same time एक और चीज है जो which helps in pressure. It is be a witty person. Love humor. जो छोटी सी बातों पे हंस सकते हैं ना लोग, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So you must have ready, witty people are very intelligent people. So if you must have somebody इसके साथ जोक क्रैक कर दिया या बहुत सीरियस, अरे अपने बॉस को बोलता रहे सर क्या आप तो मतलब, you must be able to tell him something which makes him laugh and you can also laugh. The pressure 1 second में जाता है. Pressure it just goes in no time. So remain positive and find humor or something like that. And create a good working environment around you. I'm sure you can withstand. ठीक है सोहेल?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So we have one question from a soldier here on the group, sir. He's Indraveer. Indraveer, please introduce yourself and ask your question to sir.
Chen, sir. Sir, I am Sipahi Indraveer. Sir, I am Sipahi Indraveer from 509 AC Battalion, Meerut. Sir, my question is how to keep motivate ourselves all time, because then we are in unit, so sometimes sir, some friends or some seniors demotivate us that you can't do it, you can't achieve you can't मतलब SSB crack नहीं कर सकता वगैरह. And sir, after some time working in unit is we feel little tired, so we मतलब comfort zone में आ जाते हैं. So sir, how to get overcome this situation?
Indraveer, where are you posted?
Sir, Meerut, sir.
मेरठ.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, नहीं मैं ना आपकी बात से पूरा सहमत हूँ. Lot of initiative of our young soldiers, even young officers is killed by the environment. नहीं हो सकता, क्या तेरे में है क्या काबिलियत. Naysayers बहुत है यार. अभी आपने देखना है कि इनको कैसे सुन के अनसुना करना है. This ability also you have to cultivate. There are too many naysayers. बहुत नेगेटिव लोग आपके आसपास होंगे. वो क्यों है ना पता है, वो इस चीज से जलस करते हैं यार, ये बंदा तो एसीसी की तैयारी कर रहा है यार, ये तो अफसर बन जाएगा, हम तो यहीं रह जाएंगे. और ये हर जगह होता है, हर हमारी कम्युनिटी में बहुत है ये फैक्टर. आप घर में आपके पड़ोस वाले आपके रिश्तेदार ही नहीं लाइक करेंगे बात यार कि ये इधरवीर तो एसीसी में जा रहा है, ये तो अफसर ना बन जाए, ये वो, दे डोंट वांट यू टू डू सच पीपल, नेगेटिव पीपल आपके सबके आसपास होते हैं। तो व्हाट यू टू डू इज इग्नोर ऑल दैट, ये कैपेबिलिटी डेवलप करनी पड़ेगी। इग्नोर करो और उनके आगे सर कोई बात नहीं करेंगे तो ना सही, कोशिश तो कर लेते हैं, आप तो सही कह रहे हो मेरे में नहीं है काबिलियत, लेकिन सर कोशिश कर लेता हूं सर, लाइफ में कुछ पता नहीं सर, लाइफ कब बदल जाए कुछ पता नहीं। तो इस तरीके से टेक इट लाइटली, डोंट टेक इट टू हार्ट। एंड यूनिट में यार देखो, यू आर यंग यार, अभी क्या टायर्ड होने की बात है यार, मैं बता रहा हूँ, हम अभी नहीं टायर्ड होते तो तुम तो 20-22 साल वाले बच्चे क्यों टायर्ड होंगे यार। यू कैन वर्क फॉर 17-18 आवर्स, 20 आवर्स, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो फिर रेस्ट अपने आप मिल जाएगा कभी ना कभी।
आज मैंने इनको ऑब्स्टेकल करके दिखाई है सर, वहां पे आई एम 52, आपसे छोटा हूँ सर 5 साल, और मैंने वो 8 नंबर एक ऑब्स्टेकल है सर, डबल डिच, सारे वहां पे बहुत डरते हैं डबल डिच पे जाके। टुडे आई जस्ट ओपन इंस्टीट्यूट टू क्लीन, तो मैंने इनको करके आई ट्राइड एंड आई कुड डू इट सर, इवन एट 52 एंड दे आर 22 सर।
देख लो, हाँ
आप तो साइकिलिंग करते हैं, मैं आपकी फोटोज देखता हूँ, हैट्स ऑफ, आई मीन 50 किलोमीटर्स।
15 अगस्त को मैं सोच रहा था 5-10 दिन पहले ही कि मुझे इंडिपेंडेंस डे और रिपब्लिक डे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, मेरे असली त्योहार यही है, तो क्या करें ये वो। तो मैंने ऐसे ही अपने वाइफ को बोला, मैंने कहा यार 74th है, मैं 74 किलोमीटर साइकिल चलाऊंगा। ये पागल है यार, अभी तक 50 से तो 40 से तो हम ऊपर नहीं गए, कैसे चलाएगा तू। मैंने कहा नहीं यार, मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगा। मैंने 3 दिन पहले 60 किया तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया। फिर मैंने एक दो अपने कलीग्स को बुलाया, मैंने 74 करना है, कौन कौन चलेगा। 3 लोग तैयार हुए और उस दिन हमने 76 किलोमीटर साइकिल चलाई, और उसके बाद मैं 25 के लिए और तैयार था, इतना जोश था। मैंने कहा आजादी मनाने का थोड़ा तरीका ये मुझे मिला। आई
थिंक बड़ी जल्दी आप सर सेंचुरी भी उसमें क्रैक करेंगे।
हाँ, सेंचुरी मारनी है इसी महीने में, इस महीने के एंड तक या सितंबर में। सो दिस इज ऑल। क्या है यार, व्हाट इज प्रेशर, आई एम 58 इयर्स यार।
सर मैं वही इनको बताते, एक दिन मैंने सर 30 इयर्स हो गए थे, वर्टिकल रोप नहीं किया था, तो मैंने सोचा अभी वर्टिकल रोप करने में छोटा सा गोल अपने लिए सेट कर लिया। पहले दिन चढ़ा तो एक स्टेप भी कर पाया, बट 45 डेज में मैं पूरा रोप ऊपर तक चला गया सर। सो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट सर, ये सब कर सर, ये किताबें पढ़ने से बहुत डरते हैं सर स्टूडेंट्स, तो किताब पहले खरीद लो, अपने सामने रख लो, अपने आप पढ़ने शुरू कर देंगे। सर देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अ गर्ल स्टूडेंट, Yashika, please come and ask the question.
A very good afternoon, sir. Sir, I'm Yashika Nautiyar and I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So my question is, how to be consistent? We often make plans and prioritize our things, but we are unable to follow. So how to be consistent?
Yashika, firstly, you have a very good name. Same first name, Yash. Huh? So,
thank you, sir.
Very good and very good question you asked. The way na consistency is by practice. If you believe in excellence and you believe कि नहीं मैंने करना है in spite of all this negativities around, and consistency मेरा कहने का मतलब है in all spheres, consistent in all spheres. You are physically fit, you may not be topper in your class and studies, but somewhere in the middle. You also play games, you are well read. So एक बंदा जो all rounded personality होता है, he is better than a guy who is topper in academics, but बाकी उसके बाद कुछ नहीं आता, ग्राउंड में नहीं गया आज तक कोई बंदा, या उसने किया ना स्टेज पे आए कभी। So you will be consistent if you realize कि आप में potential क्या है and where do you lack, and practice on those things. Some people just can't do public speaking, but by practice they can do. Some people don't know any games, but you start going to a ground, you can start playing games. Some people think मैं तो भाग ही नहीं सकता है सर, मेरे तो भागते कैसे हैं लोग। रोड पे जाओ जरा, अपने आप ही 15 दिन में देखो आप how you start, you started running, you started cycling, you gymming. I've seen people develop some amazing this thing. Same is with reading. अरे कौन पढ़ेगा किताब यार, ये क्या पढ़, अरे पढ़ो तो सही 5 पेज, 10 पेज, 20 पेज, do 5 pages a day, 10 pages a day, and then fall asleep, कोई बात नहीं, again start next day. So to be consistent again is because of goal setting, being focused, all these affairs, the physical, intellectual, अपना mind clear रखो, है ना? So something like that. So keep yourself always motivated. ग्राफ को नीचे नहीं हो, ऐसे हो सकता है ग्राफ, but it can't go down, and then it will be very difficult to get up. So I've always believed that from the beginning, stay ahead, because if you are पीछे रह गए, then it becomes difficult to catch up. So I'm sure the very fact you are coming on a webinar, planning to join the army as an officer, itself is an indication that you are there. Up to you are consistent. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Any more questions? Otherwise, I will close the session. Okay, sir. As of now, no more questions. I want to thank you for sparing your time. Actually, I'm feeling a little guilty, sir. I mean, such a fantastic session. I should have actually invited all my ex-students who have been part of the AMAS. I should have invited them, and our audience would have grown to at least 250, because there's so many students who have done our courses and are there in my WhatsApp group. Next session onwards, sir, I would be inviting a larger strength so that they can benefit from your practical tips, sir. I mean, there's such practical tips. Even I'm actually getting remotivated to maybe start my cycling again, or start my running, or dividing my day into 4 parts, and then thinking, yes, I am doing all the things simultaneously. So next session, sir, we are going to have, I can assure you, not less than 200, because I think it's be very unfair to my ex-students if they don't listen to you, sir. And only one batch listens. So I'm in touch with almost 300, 400, 500 students at any time. So I will be planning the next session, and maybe after 2 weeks or so, and they will have an audience, so that everybody gets influenced, learns from your ideas. And on one thing, I'm totally in agreement with you, sir. We as a nation, we need a strong thoughts in terms of secularism, in terms of looking all the religions, or what you call that. In army we are practicing it. We are going to mandir, masjid. I mean, I said I was commissioned in Buddhist regiment, in which the mandir was Buddhist. So we are so used to respecting all religions. So I think it's time that we convey to the larger masses. So I'm so grateful to you, sir, for sparing your time. And I look forward to you giving us some more time. And certainly you are going to have a much larger audience of AMAS. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best. All the best to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Remain motivated.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.